Alright, today we're going to look at the perimeter of triangles and trapezoids. Not much different than what we did yesterday. You just got to remember that perimeter means the distance around the object. So here we have 9, and then we have this side, and then we have 15. So to find the perimeter, we're going to add up those three sides. The most important part about today is that you know what these marks mean. So these are congruent marks. So that means that if this side is 9, this side over here is also 9. So wherever you see those marks and it gives you a number, you want to make sure you write both numbers. So to find the perimeter of this triangle, we're just going to add up 9 plus 9 plus 15. So that gives us 18 plus 15. And 18 plus 15. Again, whenever you don't know, if you can't do it in your head, just set it up so that you can do it. And so that gives us 33. And since there's not a unit, feet, inches, or anything, we'll just go ahead and write 33 units. So the perimeter of the triangle is 33 units. Go ahead and try 1B on your own. Make sure you have all the work you need. Alright, for 2A, we're still finding the perimeter. The only difference here is that we have variables on the trapezoid, and so it says x is 20, so that means I can replace wherever I see an x with 20, so that means that this side over here is equal to 20, this side over here is equal to 20, and this side down here is going to be 3 times 20, which is a 60. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to go 20 plus 22 plus 20 plus 60. So the perimeter is going to be 20 plus 22 plus 20 plus 60. And to make life easy, I'm going to add up all the ones with the zeros. So 20 and 20 is 40, and 60 is 100. And 100 plus 22 is just 122. Again, there's no feet or anything, so we'll just say units. So the perimeter of the trapezoid is 122 units. Go ahead and try 2B. Make sure you show all the work you need. Alright, for 3A, we're trying to find the value of y, and that tells us that the perimeter is 37. So we just set up our equation like we were finding the perimeter. Y plus 10 plus y plus 15. So we have y plus 10 plus y plus 15, except now we know that the perimeter is equal to 37. So now we simplify our equation, and so since the y and the y are on the same side, you just add them up, and so you get 2y, and then we have 10 and 15 on the same side, so you combine them, and we get 25 equals 37. And so now we just have a two-step equation that we're going to solve. So we minus 25 from both sides. And we get 2y equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. And I get y equals 6. So first thing you want to do is you want to write your equation and then what it equals, and that's where they tell us that the perimeter equals that number. So for 3B, you figure out what the perimeter is going to be, you're going to add up the three sides, and we know it's going to equal 18, and then just solve your equation.